Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again. As you know, my name is Jiya and we are on our 8th lesson. If you missed the last lesson, then please go and see it. Let's just see what we did in our last lesson. So, we got to the solution of our second project and we learned about the introduction to lists. Now, today we are going to be learning about functions and methods of lists and their usage. So, updating elements. So, like this is our list here, and we are printing the list. Then to update a list, we just write its index. If you remember from our last lesson, then this is 0, the B would be on the 0 index, this A would be in the first, K on the second, and E on the third index. So we write the index and then we use the equal to sign and assign it the value C in this case. As we can see here, first it was printed as bake, then it was printed as cake because we changed the B to a C. Membership or checking if an element is in the list. So this is our list and then we have got two values A and B, and then we check if A is in the list and if B is in the list. If we run this, then A is in the list as it is true and B is not in the list as it is false. Now cloning a list, you can do it. So we are using our list from here. So we are saying that the y is equal to x, and then we are just printing x and y. Then we are changing the value of x and then again printing x and y, which, as we can see here, when we print x and y, it is coming as this 20 and 20. And when we change the value in x, it also changed in y. Now, if we do the list like this, if we put square brackets and then a colon, and then print it and then change x, then we can see x has a chain. Here they are both same. And then when we are printing after changing the value, x's value has changed, y's value is the same. So these are two ways you can clone a list. Then functions of list. So we are going to first just see the code, then we are gonna see what it does. So these are all the lists that are going to be used in the example. Append. It is used to assign new elements. So we are appending to this empty list 1 and then printing it. Then reverse. It is used to reverse a list. As first we are printing the second list, then reversing it and printing the reversed list. Then plus, it combines two lists as it is combining the even and odd list here. Then repeating a list. So we use the multiplication symbol for that. And then we write in 5 times. Sum, it adds all the values in the list. This only happens if like the est is an integer or a float. Then index, it tells you the index of whatever value you're asking the index for. And then insert, it inserts a value at a specific position. And then copy, so it just copies a list. This is another way of cloning a list. Count, it counts how many times a specific element is in the list. Remove, it removes a specific value. Now pop can delete the last element, and if we want to do a specific index, if we want to delete a specific index, then it can do that too. Then sort, it sorts the list into the values. Then clear, it clears the whole list, so it deletes all the values. Max, it tells you the maximum value in the list. And minimum, minimum, it tells you the minimal value. Now let's see all of their results. So we appended it to the first list, and then we reversed it. Then we reversed the list. Wait. So reverse, it reverses the list. And then we have plus, which adds to list. As we can see, first is the even list and then the oddest here. Then multiply, which multiplies a list, as we can see here. And then sum, which adds all of them. Then index, we found out the index of 3 in this case, which is 7. And then insert, so we inserted the one value on the third index, but there was no third index, so it is added to the second one. Copy, it copies a list. Count, it counts the number of times the list comes, the element comes. Remove, it removes the value. Pop, it removes the element that is in the last element mostly. And here we removed 0, I think so. And then sort, it sorts the list from the lowest to the highest. Clear, it clears the list. Max, it takes the maximum value. And 1 and minimum, which takes the minimum value. So that's it for our lesson today. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.